Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bluetooth in Nissan Murano. Begin by turning on your phone Bluetooth and making it discoverable, then power your car audio to accessory mode and access the Bluetooth menu on the head unit. Select the feature to add or pair a new device and watch for the car name to appear on your phone. Accept any pairing codes that match to complete the connection and test audio and calls. Start pairing by opening the Bluetooth or phone setup on your Murano head unit, then choose Add Device or Pair New Device. On your phone, select the car name when it appears and confirm the PIN or passkey shown on both screens. Grant permission to sync contacts and call history if you want hands-free calling and caller ID. Finally, test a short call and play audio to ensure the connection is stable and reliable for driving. If pairing fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and on for both the phone and the car, then retry pairing. Remove old or unused devices from the car's paired list to avoid conflicts and ensure the system can accept a new connection. If the head unit is unresponsive, cycle accessory power by turning the key off and on or restart your phone. After reconnection, verify call and audio functions to confirm everything works smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.